Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today for our session focusing on getting ready to sell on the Amazon store during the holiday season for brand owners. My name is Yas and I'm on the Seller University team. So our presenters today are going to be Yvonne and Leah, who are senior marketing managers with our brands team at Amazon. So with that, I will turn it over to Yvonne to begin our presentation.
Hi everyone, my name is Yvonne. As was mentioned, I'm a senior product marketing manager on the brands team, and I'm super excited to talk with you today about how to prep for the holiday sales time. So I'm going to first start with just some exciting, information and just kind of talk about the events that are in the Amazon store that is hitting the increased traffic for this time period. There are three pillars of a successful holiday season for brand owners. There's preparing your product listing, there's driving traffic, and providing best-in-class customer service. So let's start with some steps that you can take to prepare your listing for the busy holiday periods in the Amazon store, like Cyber Monday and others. Studies have shown that adding A+ content to your product detail pages can increase conversion by up to 8.5%. A+ content is a feature that allows brand owners to showcase branded products with supplemental marketing content on your detail pages. The feature can help improve the performance of your ads, deals, and coupons. While these advertising tools help drive discoverability, A+ content can help drive conversions. So you use A+ content to add a brand story to your listings through a section of A+ content called Brand Story in particular, and it's shown in a dedicated from the brand section on the detail pages. This is separate from the product description where basic A+ lives today. Brand Story modules support a full screen background display with image and text card carousels, which you can use to highlight key brand elements like a logo or a description. You can also link your other products with your brand story to help customers discover your wider catalog. Communicating your unique brand's identity to customers can help you differentiate yourself and build trust with your customers. Use your brand story to tell customers who you are, what you do, what your brand stands for, and why they should trust you. So if you meet a few eligibility requirements, which I will go and share with you in a little bit, you will be invited to take advantage of Premium A+ content. With Premium A+ content, you have access to 6 new module types: interactive hotspots, video, enhanced comparison charts, larger images, carousel modules, and Q&A modules. So I'm going to just talk a little bit about each of these new modules. Interactive hotspots allows you to call out different aspects of your product within an image with text. So this can help simplify complicated product descriptions and help customers easily browse through all of your key product features. Now, videos is a great module that provides even more details than images. They let you showcase your product in use, giving customers a sense of how a product moves or operates. With the enhanced comparison charts, some of the most popular A+ content modules, you have the ability to compare similar products to help customers make educated purchase decisions and increase conversion. They can also help you upsell products by clearly showing customers if a higher price product is a better value based on specs and features. Now, larger image modules, that gives you a little bit of extra real estate on the detail page to showcase your products and proactively answer customer questions. The carousel modules let you tell a story visually, a visually rich, media-rich story at the customer's own pace. The images in these modules can catch the eye of customers and encourage them to engage with your content. They can help showcase different uses of a single product or highlight other products in your catalog. Finally, the Q&A modules help you to proactively address customers' most frequently asked questions. Addressing common customer questions or concerns can help you provide a better overall experience and reduce the likelihood of returns. There are 2 eligibility requirements to gain access to Premium A+ content. The first requirement is that you must already have published A+ brand story content to all active ASINs in your catalog. The second requirement is that you have completed 15 approved A+ content projects within the last 12 months. So once you have access to a Premium A+, and you have created your Premium A+ content, it could take up to 7 days for your Premium A+ content to appear on your detail page. So make sure you plan ahead. However, if you have not met these eligibility requirements already, that's okay. You can still make updates to your basic A+ content and/or add brand story to all of your ASINs to start an A/B test on your A+ content with Manage Your Experiments to ensure you have fresh content for the holiday selling season. Now, let's review how Amazon Vine can help you prepare your product listings for the holiday season. Vine is a program that invites Vine Voices, which are Amazon reviewers who have written trustworthy product reviews, to share their opinions and write reviews about products that are enrolled in Vine. Reviews play an important role when customers assess product fit. Vine can help you reach new customers by providing reviews to help them make these informed decisions. Thorough reviews can give you valuable insight into what could be improved about your products. Also, this is a good place for you to get some information about what to put in your Q&A modules for your A+ content. Plus, quality reviews from Vine Voices can help boost sales by up to 19%. Vine Voices write and post their reviews within an average of 17 days, and after requesting a Vine enrolled item. So I'll say that again. The average time it takes for a Vine Voice to write and post their review is within 7 days after they have requested a Vine enrolled item. Participating brands provide free product units to the Vine Voices to request and review. You can use Vine when you want to build up reviews for a newly launched product, generate reviews for a slow-moving product, or boost awareness on a high potential product that's sold out at other retailers. This month, you can save 50% on your Vine enrollment in the US. If you enroll your product by October 31st, you can receive a $100 discount per parent ASIN enrollment. Your discount will be reflected directly against the Vine enrollment fee charge on the Manage Your Payments page in Seller Central. You won't be charged if your product doesn't receive a Vine review within 90 days of enrollment. Along with Vine and A+ content, you can use the Manage Your Experiments tool to prepare your listings for the holiday season. I already mentioned one way you can use MYE by testing A+ content, but Manage Your Experiments, or MYE, lets you run A/B tests, also known as split tests. You can use MYE to test 2 versions of product titles, main images, bullet points, product descriptions, and A+ content against each other to learn which version customers best respond to. With MYE, you can learn which version of your content drives more conversions and then automatically publish the winning content. MYE statistically measures which version of content helps drive more sales. And after publishing the winning content, brands have seen increased sales by up to 25%. Now let's cover the process of creating an experiment. First, you plan your experiment. Consider your hypothesis and what you're hoping to learn. Next, choose the content you want to experiment on. Choose your A version, and then you create your B version to be tested against one another. Choose whether or not you'd like to run your experiment for a set duration of time or until enough data is collected to form a decision. Select experiment to significance to run an experiment without a designated duration. With this method, higher traffic ASINs can produce results before the recommended 8 to 10 weeks for duration-based experiments. When an experiment ends, you can analyze these results for insights you can use to optimize content and plan future experiments with. Opting into auto-publishing allows MYE to automatically publish the winning content from a completed experiment when the winning content is at least 66% better. Otherwise, if you don't opt in to auto-publishing, you can make updates manually once an experiment concludes. Now, we've covered some options for optimizing your listings. Let's go over some ways that you can drive traffic during these busy season. Running non-Amazon marketing for your listings can help you capture the attention of customers searching the web, not just in the Amazon store. The Brand Referral Bonus Program gives an opportunity to earn an average of a 10% bonus on product sales from non-Amazon marketing efforts measured by Amazon attribution. Non-Amazon marketing can include paid and non-paid social media campaigns, paid search and display, email, D2C brand site, and affiliate marketing, and more. If you're already running non-Amazon advertising for the products you sell in the Amazon store, the Brand Referral Bonus Program can help you maximize your advertising investment. To take advantage of the Brand Referral Bonus, you'll also need the Amazon Attribution tool. Attribution lets brands gain visibility into how their non-Amazon touchpoints help customers discover and consider products in the Amazon store. When you're running non-Amazon ad campaigns, you'll embed your Amazon attribution tags to help Amazon attribute purchases of your branded products, which you can then earn a bonus from. Driving traffic with non-Amazon marketing tools can help you maximize your reach and discoverability. Taking advantage of Amazon attribution and brand referral bonus can help you make the most of your non-Amazon ads and overall advertising investment. Another way to drive traffic during the holiday season is with the Manage Your Customer Engagement tool. Manage Your Customer Engagement lets you engage with tailored audiences via email campaigns to announce new products, provide 7-day deal details, and gift event guides. Customer engagement campaigns let you communicate your brand story, differentiate yourself from the competition, and stay relevant in customers' minds. Customer engagement campaigns allow you to reach tailored audience segments with your messaging. You can choose to focus on brand followers, repeat customers, high spend customers, or recent customers. Each cohort is automatically tailored to your brand and updated on a weekly basis. Repeat customers have purchased at least 2 products from your brand in the last 12 months. High spend customers are in or above the 75th percentile when ranking your customers by the dollar amount they've spent in your store in the last 12 months. Finally, recent customers have most recently made a purchase from your brand. Reaching the right audience at the right time is important, and tailored audiences allows you to re-engage your existing customer base to kickstart sales for new products. Once your engagement campaign is complete, you can track engagement metrics to understand how customers responded to your campaign. Try to regularly test different audience and content combinations to better find which ones work best. Pay special attention to high opt-out rates, as these will lead to a smaller audience. To make the most of your campaign, we recommend featuring new products, preferably with discounts in your emails. Existing customers are often interested in new products from brands they already engage with and can have better conversion with a discount. We also recommend using lifestyle images to highlight different use cases of the product you're featuring. To not overwhelm customers and maintain a low opt-out rate, we recommend running one email campaign or less per brand per week. Once you've prepared your listings and have your traffic drivers in place, it's time to think about providing best-in-class customer service. When a customer leaves negative seller feedback, we encourage you to contact them individually to resolve the problem. Resolving customer problems helps you provide quality customer service and can help you learn about trends in customer sentiment. Using the Contact Customer feature in the Feedback Manager, you can work to resolve your customers' issues. Resolving the issue may include providing a replacement product or issuing a refund. After resolving their concerns, you can ask the customer to update their negative feedback or remove it. Remember that pressuring or incentivizing a buyer to remove or edit negative feedback is a violation of Amazon policies. And now I'll kick it over.
Awesome. Thank you, Yvonne. So if after working with your customer to resolve their issue, they still don't remove or modify their negative feedback, you can post a public reply. In this response, you can explain how you work to correct the problem. The response won't change your feedback rating, but your comment can provide context to other customers who will find that negative feedback. So when making a public response, be sure to keep your comments brief and professional. With your listings prepped, traffic drivers in place, and a plan for providing the best-in-class customer service, let's quickly cover some important dates for shipping products. It's important to stay in stock during busy season to ensure that your shipments arrive at Amazon fulfillment centers well before the key shopping dates. So for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, be sure that your inventory arrives at the US fulfillment centers by November 2nd. For Christmas, you'll want your inventory to arrive by December 1st. Thank you so much for everyone for attending, and thank you so much to our presenters, Yvonne and Leah, for answering all these questions.